Good morning everyone and welcome to Napoli, the largest city in the south of Italy and possibly one of the most misunderstood cities in the entire world. In this video, I'll be showing you how expensive it is to stay in Naples as a tourist. I will not be visiting fancy places, but stick to basic needs such as food and accommodation. I am staying in a one-bedroom apartment that I found on Airbnb for 40 euros a night. It is in a great location, in a very upmarket area of the city called Chiaia, literally 10 minutes away from famous landmarks such as Piazza del Plebiscito and the Royal Palace. But now, let me take you on a tour of the city and show you what Naples is all about. I've just sat at the bar next to my apartment and ordered an Italian breakfast, which is normally some kind of sweet pastry. In Naples it will be a sfogliatella, which I'm going to try for the first time, really exciting. And some kind of juice. I ordered an orange squash and a coffee. I'll let you know how much it is. Trying my first sfogliatella, it looks delicious. It's amazing. Altogether the bill came up to 9 euros. Which I think is very reasonable for a breakfast of this kind. I had fresh orange squash, which is of course more expensive than orange juice, had a fantastic coffee and that amazing pastry. I thought it would make sense to give you a comparison between a cafe where I had breakfast yesterday actually, where I had a sfogliatella, and where I am now. It's just another cafe in the center of Naples, in the Gallery Umberto I, which is one of the main landmarks. I ordered exactly the same, and let's see what it comes up to. This one came up to 11 euros 50, which is quite a lot really for what I've eaten. Tourist trap? Not really, but of course you pay more for being in this location. I am visiting a supermarket in one of the fanciest areas of the city called Vomero, and I'll try to show you some of the prices for, normal goods in case you decided to cook for yourself, for example. Okay. Like tomatoes are like 2.58 euros per kilogram. Piece of cheese like this one is about 2 euros. Got some slices of cheese for 1 euro just right here, which I think is really good. You can just make your own sandwiches. All this pre-made kind of food, about 5 euros each. Quite expensive really. 2 muffins, 1 euro 60 for 2 muffins. A slice of pizza here is 1 euro and something for 100 grams. Bottle of very good Prosecco is around 8 euros 90, 6 euros, 6 euros 95, 6 euros 15. Bottle of Beck's, which is quite international, is 1 euro 19. A whole chicken is 4 euros 98. I'm not an expert because I don't eat meat, but I think it's a very good price as well. Bottle of olive oil here just in front of me is like 5 euros, depending on which one you like, of course. This is actually my favorite pasta, rummo. It's 1 euro 9 cents for half kilogram of pasta. Very high quality. You can of course find cheaper ones. Question is, would you want to? Why? So you can get half kilogram of pasta for less than €1, and you can have literally 4 people can eat out of it. Pretty much all people I've met in Naples so far, and friends of mine, recommended this place. Apparently it's one of the best pizzas in Naples, which means a lot since pizza was invented here, for the record. And it's called Sorbillo Pizza Street, apparently. It's really, really good, and I just wanted to show you the prices for the pizzas. I don't know if you can see, but like a standard margherita would be 6 euros, which is amazing. Marinara 4.50. Okay, I just wanted to show you how amazing this pizza looks, guys. This is what Napolitan pizza is supposed to look like. I've never tried anything like this. The dough is so soft, so light. Wow. Nothing to do with the pizza I'm used to eating, really. Even in Italy. just wanted to show you how thin the pizza is and how thick the crust is. But it's not thick, it's not real dough, it's actually full of air. I don't know how they make it, but definitely the best pizza of my life, and the tomato is so fresh. Wow. I just got the baba, which is a typical dessert or whatever you want to call it here, kind of pastry perhaps with a rum. It's very sugary apparently, and I paid €1.20 for that. I think it's an amazing price. It's just, I don't know how they make money out of it really. Well, yeah, I can confirm that sometimes it does rain in Naples. Today I was just too tired, or frankly too hungover to have dinner out, so I decided to go to the local supermarket and get something to eat. So I got myself very good high quality mozzarella, a side salad, box of friarielli, which is a kind of vegetable, very typical here, and a very big piece of bread. And all together I spent €8.72, which I think is really good. The mozzarella itself must have been around €3, so I think it's quite good.